Hi friends, welcome back to How to Name It Kitchen. Today I'm going to make another Middle Eastern dip. This dip is not as popular as baba ganoush or hummus, but this is super tasty, another relatively easy dish to make. This dish is called as Muhammara. This dish originates from Syria, more specifically from the city of Aleppo. This dish is very simple to make, but it's got a lot more ingredients than what you need for hummus and baba ganoush. Keep watching and I'm sure you will love this dish again. The main ingredients of this dish are roasted red peppers and toasted almonds. So here I've got 2 roasted red peppers which are roasted in the oven with olive oil so they get a nice char and a smoky flavor. Then I'll cool them down and peel the skin off. Here I've got 2 red bell peppers which I've roasted in olive oil until they get a nice char, so you get a smoky flavor. Then I've let them cool down and I've peeled the skin off. So I've got 2 of those. So I'm going to add that onto the food processor. With that I roasted 1 onion and few cloves of garlic. So that's going to go into the food processor. And then I've got half a cup of toasted walnuts. So that's going to give the nutty flavor for the dish and also add to the body of the dip. And for a bit of heat, I've got 2 chilies which are dry and dry roasted. So that's going into that. And because this dish comes from Aleppo, the city in Syria, I'm going to add plenty of Aleppo pepper. So this is not a very hot chili. This gives a bit of a sweetness and a kind of nutty flavor to the dish. Then I've got some salt to taste. And then I've got some pomegranate molasses. This is very unique to this dish. So I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of that. This gives a kind of a deep, sweety, earthy flavor to the dish. I've got 4 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses. So you can get this from any Middle Eastern supermarket. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Onto that I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of cumin powder. A quick recap of the ingredients we've added. We added 2 roasted bell peppers, 1 roasted onion, few garlic cloves which are roasted again, and then half a cup of toasted walnuts, and then 2 chilies which are dry roasted, then yellow pepper, salt to taste, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, 4 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, and some good quality olive oil to go with it. So now I'm going to blend this into a fine paste. The Muhammara is ready now. I'm going to give it a taste. It's very tasty. Needs a little bit more salt. And it needs a bit of tanginess, so I'm going to add juice of half a lemon. And it's time to plate it now. To go on top, I've got some pomegranate molasses. Next, plenty of extra virgin olive oil. And then some fresh pomegranates. And some parsley to go on top. Here we go. We got some super tasty Muhammara, which is made from red bell pepper and toasted walnut. Try this at home and I'm sure you will love this dish.